Alright, welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about the rule for the divisibility of 3. How do you know a number is divisible by 3? How do you know a number is divisible by 3? All you need to do is to add the digits that make up the number and see if you get a multiple of 3, and that will show you that the number is divisible by 3. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. So for instance, I have 213. So for me to check if this number is divisible by 3, I will sum up the digits. So I'll do 2 plus 1 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Alright? Then I'll check, is this the sum of the digits, right? Is this sum a multiple of 3? Yes, 6 is a multiple of 3. So that means 213 is divisible by 3. Alright, so once you sum up the digits and they give you a multiple of 3, and you know the multiples of 3, 3 itself, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, alright, 24. Those are the multiples of 3. So once you sum up the digits and you have a multiple of 3, you know that that number is divisible by 3. Alright, that number is divisible by 3. Okay, so now that also tells you that if you have a number repeated 3 times, that number is divisible by 3. So if you have 111, that's divisible by 3, right? Because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. If you have 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. So as long as you have a number repeating itself 3 times, that number will give you a multiple of 3, right? So that's how to check if a number is divisible by 3. Add all the digits together and check if you have a multiple of 3. And once you do, you know the number is divisible by 3. So I need you to give me 5 numbers, not less than 4 digits, that are multiples of 3 in the comments. Thank you. Bye.